Just open your web browser and type sweethome3d.com or use the link in the description. This software is available in two versions. The paid version comes with many furniture items and textures, while the free version only comes with a basic set. To get the free one, just go here, Product, and click on Download. Now scroll down and look for the SourceForge logo. Clicking on that takes you to the correct download page. Here, the download will start automatically. Once it's done, just open the file here, or go to where it's downloaded and run it. First, select your language. I will choose English here. Then click OK. Then click Next. Accept the agreement and click Next again. Now select your system type and click Next. From here, you can keep everything by default. Just keep clicking Next. And finally, click on Install. Once the installation is completed, just click Finish.